Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Guys, there's been a lot of exciting stuff happening here at the factory. Behind me you can see Japa. We've got the Japa 405 here with perfect split and perfect clean. We've got the brand new Wolfe Ridge disc cleaner, and we're finishing preparation for the Midwest Firewood Frenzy that is coming up in 3 days. Come with me, I'll take you around the field here and show you some of the new things that you'll see at the Frenzy this Saturday. You can see behind me we have the field all mowed, nice and clear for the event. We got tents coming on Thursday or Friday this week, and that'll keep us cool and or out of the rain. It looks like it's going to be hot, but not a chance for rain yet. That could change. We have a bunch of new stuff, like I said. Right here we have the VersaSplit. This is something that we actually brought back. Chris had made these, I think, in around 2017, 2018, and we've had a lot of call for people wanting an offset splitter that could go on the front of a tractor or a skid steer. And right here is a 22-ton version. This is our prototype. We've got a 17-ton version, and we'll build it really in any tonnage as well. The information isn't on the website for those yet, but you'll be able to see it firsthand here at the Frenzy if you come out on Saturday. We have the Fuelwood machinery from the UK. In front of me here is the Kindlet 200. Behind me is the Kindlet Pro, and not yet in the yard here is the Splitta 400. Splitta 400 can do 13-inch lengths and up to 16-inch diameter, and the first time that's running here in the USA is going to be at the Firewood Frenzy on Saturday. We just got a fresh shipment of the Kindlet 200s and the Pros in, so we do have a few in stock available for immediate delivery. In front of me here looks like a 17RS, but this is actually what we were going to call a 17XS. So basically we took the same power plant that would be on a 22RS and we ran a 17-ton cylinder. So we're netting about a 5.5 second cycle time on this machine. And we'll offer it with auto cycle or log lift. You can see this one was offered with log lift, and this one is heading out to a good friend of ours out east. You may have remembered our prototype disc cleaner that we brought to the Paul Bunyan show. Well, we took that machine and made a few improvements on it based on customer feedback. Customer's very happy with the version he got. We made a few adjustments and changed a couple of things on this, and now we have our production disc cleaner behind us. And you can see this thing is exiting. I don't know how tall this is right now. I'm 6 foot tall though, so filling up a dump truck should be possible with this. We have adjustable hopper angle, and we've got it tipped up all the way right now, so basically that's going to mean that the wood is going to stay in there and it's going to fight to get out, which means more agitation and more stuff should come off of it. We've got the wide conveyor with the wide paddles on it. This conveyor will move a ton of wood, and we're powering it from the Wolfe Ridge Wolf Pack hydraulic power pack. And this power pack is complete with its own engine, hydraulic pump, it's got hydraulic oil cooler, it's got electric start, it's got a 12-volt output. This thing is loaded up and could power really a lot of different hydraulic accessories. What we're going to be powering today is this disc cleaner, and we will be feeding it with the Japa 405 with perfect split. As you know, a box wedge machine creates more chaff and more debris. The Japa does have the rear trash conveyor on it for the perfect clean, but there will still be kindling pieces and things like that that go up, and the Wolfe Ridge disc cleaner is taking it a step further and getting that stuff out. So I'm going to start up this machine, see if I remember how to run it, and we'll fire up the disc cleaner and show you guys what we can do. Move the, where's... backwards with that? We ran the Japa 405 for about 5 to 10 minutes. We are running some red oak that is a little less than desirable for putting through a box wedge, whether it be a splitter like the ones we manufacture or a processor such as this. So that will create a little bit more chaff and debris, but as you can see, the Wolfe Ridge disc cleaner is doing a phenomenal job. Here we have our pile of split firewood, and I know some people will call this kindling, but a lot of the guys making bundle firewood, this is what they are after. And no resplitting. This is what's coming out of the processor, coming out of the cleaner into this pile. If it was me, I'd have this elevated so we weren't just going right into the dirt, but you know, this is just our demonstration application here. And this whole setup really is just working well. The perfect clean on the processor itself is taking a lot of the dirt and the smaller fines out, and then this disc cleaner is taking out really usable kindling. So if you wanted to sort through that, you could package that up separately as kindling using the Wolfe Ridge firewood bagging station that is behind me. This is just a small amount of what we're gonna have here at the Frenzy on Saturday. Guys, if you'd like more information on that, I will put the link in the description, as well as the link for all of our events. And if you want pricing on the Japa stuff, I will have that live on the website probably in about 2 weeks. We can help you out with pricing if you're here at the Frenzy, but for now we're working on getting that stuff onto the website and making sure that it is accurate so you can get the best up-to-date version of specs, pricing, and all of that. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge, and I'll see you at the Frenzy.